Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Let's go. Now, welcome to this brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today, we are exploring a 4-bedroom corner house and lot for sale located here in a private and exclusive village in Makati City. So this property has a lot area of 445 square meters and a floor area of approximately 600 square meters across 2 levels. So let's begin by taking a look at the exterior of the property. And on this side, you have a parking area for 2 vehicles. So you have a vintage car. It's not included. But on this side, heading towards the back of the house, you have a driver's quarters area and a maid's quarters area as well. On top of having 2 vehicles here, you have an alternate parking space on the other side of the house which can fit 3 vehicles, and we're gonna go over there right now. So this entire space can be maximized as an outdoor patio space. They even made sure to have coverings here so that it can be quite cool even in the afternoons. So you see there's a clear setback from the perimeter wall to the house. And you have another gate here. Giving you access to a larger parking space. So you can have up to an additional 3 vehicles here. Okay, now let's head on back. So the entire property has a very laid-back feel and look because of the dark exterior that they had. It gives you a cooler feel and vibe for the entire space, and wait until we get inside. We have the main entry here. You have a screen door and a main wooden door. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. This house maximizes its large lot area by having an open and integrated living and dining space. It's divided into 3 areas. First, with the receiving area, a dining space, and then a more formal living area. This first area has such a very cool vibe because of the blend of the blue wall with the wooden accents throughout the space and this cool furniture piece as well. It also complements this animal print carpet. And on the other side, it flows towards this one-of-a-kind dining area. With this massive dining table, which seats 12 people. You have natural light coming in through windows on these sides of the house. And then it flows here towards another living area. What's great about the space is, in the future, if you'd like to purchase this home, you can have dividers here or completely close this off to have a separate room. And it would still be large enough and open enough because of the space. You have 2 split type air conditioning units already included here. And you have access towards two sides of the house. You can go out here towards the patio space that we took a look at earlier. And you can go back in through the sliding door here on the other side. And now we're back in the main living space. Here's another perspective, so you can see the size of the room. I like how you can have a separate group of people and gatherings on the other side of the property, of the living space, and then have a completely different gathering here, but you still feel together because of the shared space. And on this side, you have your staircase leading to the second floor. And here you have your first room, a den space. We can't go in there right now because they have some personal items. And on this side, you have a bathroom which serves as a powder room and also as the bathroom of the first room. On this side, you have the kitchen space. You have a consistent color theme for the living space all the way here. And then this extends to this side, where this can be maximized as an auxiliary kitchen space. And then you have access here towards the side of the house. Okay, let's head back in through the auxiliary kitchen to the main kitchen space, and now heading up towards the second level where we have 4 bedrooms. Let's go. Now, welcome to the second level. I initially mentioned that this property has 4 bedrooms, but if you consider the first room, the den room downstairs, as a bedroom as well, this property can be considered as a 5-bedroom property. Here's the first room. You have a provision here already for an aircon space. So I'm walking around so you have an idea in terms of the size. You have a large window here, lots of natural light, and it has an ensuite bathroom. Now let's take a look here. You have 2 bedrooms here, which has a shared bathroom on this side. And then on the other side. This is the 3rd bedroom in the entire property. This is a significant size. Slightly larger than the last one. And let's head back out. So you have a 4th room over here. We can go in this room right now because there's still some items here in the house from the previous owner. But now we're going to take a look here at the primary bedroom. So this is a corner room, very well lit, not just because of the light, but because of the 3 windows, maximizing its corner position. Lots of storage as well. And then you have an ensuite bathroom here. And that caps off our quick tour here in Makati City. This property is located just 10 to 15 minutes away from Mall of Asia and on the other side towards the Makati Business District. It's also just 5 minutes away from EDSA itself and about 10 minutes away from the airport area. So this is a centrally located space in a very quiet and private village. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown here. You can also send us a message and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And if you have a property you'd like to feature through our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family. Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.